In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to follow LinkedIn hashtags in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're seeking to stay updated on industry trends, job opportunities, or networking events, following relevant hashtags on LinkedIn can significantly enhance your professional networking experience. Let's dive into the straightforward steps to make the most out of LinkedIn hashtags. First things first, you'll need to access LinkedIn. Simply navigate to the LinkedIn website on your preferred browser. Once there, you can sign in using your Google account for convenience, or opt to continue with your LinkedIn account credentials. Occasionally, LinkedIn might ask you to complete a CAPTCHA for additional security measures. This is a standard procedure to ensure your account's safety and should only take a moment to complete. Upon successfully signing into LinkedIn, direct your attention to the top left corner of the page, where you'll find the search bar. This tool is your gateway to discovering a world of content tailored to your professional interests, including the vast array of hashtags available on LinkedIn. Now it's time to search for the hashtag of your choice. Simply type it into the search bar. Whether it's hash marketing, hash data science, or any other field you're interested in, you'll find a hashtag for virtually every professional domain on LinkedIn. As you type, suggestions will appear, helping you find the right hashtag even faster. After you've entered your desired hashtag, press enter or click on the suggested search result to proceed. This action will take you to a dedicated page for the hashtag, offering you a glimpse into the conversations, posts, and resources connected to it. At this stage, you might notice a button or link that says See All Results. Clicking on this will expand your view, allowing you to delve deeper into everything the hashtag has to offer. Here you'll find a treasure trove of recent posts, articles, and discussions tagged with the chosen hashtag. It's a fantastic way to immerse yourself in specific topics and get insights from a variety of perspectives within the LinkedIn community. By following these steps, you'll be able to stay abreast of the latest trends, insights, and opportunities within your industry or areas of interest. Remember, the key to making the most out of LinkedIn is not just to consume content passively, but to engage actively. Don't hesitate to like, comment, and share posts that resonate with you or contribute to the conversation by posting your insights or questions. In conclusion, following hashtags on LinkedIn is a simple yet powerful way to customize your feed, connect with like-minded professionals, and enhance your learning and network on the platform. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your career journey, leveraging hashtags can significantly amplify your LinkedIn experience. Happy networking,